Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at our 3R 12-volt soft wash box assembly. Now the ideal thing for this soft wash box assembly is it's already put together. You pretty much assemble just a few quick things with either the wand or the dipstick whenever it arrives to you. Or if you're picking it up in our facility, we'll do that for you before you leave. But ideally, you just drop it right into the existing rig that you have or the one that you're building. Great for open trailers, enclosed trailers, box trucks, like truck beds, all kinds of applications. So we'll go over what we have here. So we have it's a 24-inch aluminum box that this is all set in. This is a 200-foot Titan hose reel with 200 feet of the half-inch chemical application hose. It does have the half-inch stainless steel manifold, so that's more corrosion resistant for bleach application or for other corrosive chemicals that you're putting through it. Down below here we have the gun and wand assembly. So this has the half-inch poly trigger, and then it's all PVC down through here, and the quick connect is stainless steel. And you can you can take the J-rod that comes with it and just pop in whichever fan size you want to apply with. Up here we have the dipstick assembly. It does have the filter on it, and then we've got a check valve, so whatever's in your hose won't just drain back out whenever you're taking that dipstick from your chemical tank over to your water tank or wherever you're moving it around to. Inside the box we have the Group 24 battery box. We'll take this lid off here. This is where you're going to put your deep cycle battery. And we've already got all of the wires and connections and everything to just kind of plug and play. So this kit does come with instructions, so the instructions will have all the details on which wires go where, but basically here's your positive and negative that go to the battery charger. And this is a NOCO battery charger. It's a 10 amp charging system, so it charges the battery that you have very quickly, usually within a couple hours or so, and then it'll maintain it over the winter or over long periods of time if you're not using it. The other set of cables here are the power cables for the pump, the power switch, and for the charge meter that we have on the side. We'll show you that here in a second. All of these cables have fuses attached so that if anything does happen, it will just blow the fuse. It won't damage any of the electrical components in there. So taking a look at the back of the box, you can see we've got this NOCO battery charger here, and you can see there's a button there to change the settings on it depending on what type of battery you have. We've got the Remco pump that's 100 PSI at 7 gallons per minute, and then we've got the accumulator tank, which helps kind of even the flow when you're spraying. Off to the side, we've got our NOCO battery charger port. So you can keep your box closed and locked up on your rig, and then you just plug in from the outside of the box so nothing can be tampered with, or you can put a couple small items inside the box and use it as a regular toolbox as well. There is an on-off switch here. Flip it up for on, flip it down for off, and then we've got our charge meter. As soon as you turn this on, it'll show you where your battery charge is on the color-coded meter. And then we've got a vent here, and then we've got one on the opposite side as well to keep everything nice and cool, or if there's any chemicals, everything's properly ventilated through the system. So this just folds up and down nice and easy. It is an aluminum box, so it is more corrosion resistant. Just twist and lock this into place. Super easy to use. Like I said, very easy to install. It's a great thing to add to a rig or to get soft washing added to the services that you offer. So if you have any questions, just give us a call. Thanks.